In this exercise, we will design the user interface using radio buttons and checkboxes. Here is a simple exercise where the checkbox is used to enable or disable the radio button controls. Radio buttons are used where we want the user to select between two options or more. These controls provide a checked property that indicates whether the control is checked when the user clicks on them. When the state of the control is changed from unchecked to checked state or vice versa, a checked changed event occurs. We need to check the checked property of both the controls to examine whether it is checked or unchecked in response to the checked changed event. We now move to Sharp Develop to see this form and understand the code. In the program, the logic is that when the user clicks the checkbox, then it enables the radio button controls, which allows the user to select between two or more options. Now in this checkbox control, we set the text property of the control as enable options and ensure that the check property is false. From the events tab, we define the check changed event handler so that we can determine if the checkbox is checked or not. Similarly, we set the text property of the radio buttons and ensure that the check property is false. From the Events tab, we also define the check change event handler so that we can determine if the radio button is checked or not. Now in the script file, we want to handle the check changed event of the checkbox so that we can enable or disable the radio buttons. In the check changed event handler function, we examine the checked property of the checkbox control, and if it is true, we enable the radio button control, else they are disabled. In the check changed event handler function of radio buttons, we simply set the text property of the label control to show which radio button is clicked. When we click the checkbox, then the radio buttons are enabled, and when we click again on the checkbox, the radio buttons are disabled. This way we can use checkbox and radio button controls to develop selection logic in the program.